So this project is a partnership between Honda and Rebuilding Together Long Beach. We partner with Rebuilding Together across the nation, and this was a special project because when I reached out to them, they were in need of someone who could come in and help them finish up a project they started a few weeks ago.
Here at Rebuilding Together Long Beach, we bring together volunteers and the corporations and match them up with projects that help the elderly, disabled, low income, and veterans on much needed home repairs.
I woke up and opened the front door and there are all the red shirts, and I was surprised and happy that I unexpectedly learned that they can do my windows.
Giving back is a fundamental belief of Honda and something we all traditionally want to do as individuals and human beings. When you get the opportunity, it's a wonderful thing to be a part of.
If Honda hadn't stepped forward, this was not something that we were going to get done right away. So we appreciate Honda coming together with us on finishing Mrs. Triff's project.
I want to thank the Team Honda and Rebuilding Together for all this hard work that they're putting in today. I thank them from the heart.